welcome back to the Redigital channel and welcome to my first long form video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to effectively use AI. Today I'm going to be using Copilot, but you can use any other sort of chat generative bot like ChatGPT or Copilot or Flint, which is an educational one that my school uses, etc. So to start off, we're going to focus on image generation. Now, to generate an image, all you have to do is ask it these specific words, create an image of. And we can put anything in its prompt. So let's say a skiing potato. And all it's going to do is it's going to take a second and it is then going to create the image. It's going to create 4 of these images. And as you can see down here, in Copilot, you have 15 of these boosts, which makes it so that you can create 15 images per day faster. You can still create images as many as you want, but after they run out, it takes a longer time. So as you can see, it creates 4 of these images for me, and I can save them if I want, and I can do whatever I'd like with them. But let's say I don't really like it in this style. All you have to do is say, you have to reword your prompt. So you have to go, create me an image of a skiing potato in, let's just say, realistic form or realistic style. This will make it recreate the images in a different style. The thing is, with almost every AI out there, you cannot edit these images directly with AI. You have to recreate them again. So AI won't do image editing for you in general, but it will just recreate the images for you. Now, on to other things, especially for learning. Let's say I want to learn how to factor a polynomial. You could start off by saying, oh, well, I have this thing that's x squared minus 15x plus 16, right? This would just be basic, and this is helping you see what it does. So by doing this, it's going to show you exactly what it does, and it's going to put it into terms you can generally read and understand. So obviously it's going to say, well, because the numbers that are going to work are -1 and -16, they're going to add to -15 and they're going to multiply to 16, right? But if you want to learn more about this and learn like just how to learn how to do it, say, teach me how to do this with other problems. And then what it's going to do is show you the steps that it goes through in depth of how it does it. So let's just say, so what it's doing right now is it's going obviously through everything it's doing, but then it's also giving you examples, which most AIs are going to do. It's going to answer your prompt, but also usually give you another question. So it's going to give me this other question, and it's going to show me that, oh yeah, x squared plus 5x plus 6, which is similar to what I did before up here, except it just changed the numbers and one of the signs. So it's going to allow me to learn a little bit more. Now, let's say we're learning something more content-based. Let's say we're learning about binary. So you can start by saying, teach me about binary and how to calculate it. Calculate it. So let's say we do this. Now, the thing about Copilot is that it starts off really general. It only starts off with a few different paragraphs with only a couple sentences. This is usually sufficient enough, but for some people, this may not be enough for some people. Also, I apologize, I had to cut the video for a second, so here is everything that you missed. Basically, what Copilot and ChatGPT and most other AIs do without specific instruction is give you the most concise answer that it can without going into any detail. So what you might want to do is zero in on what you're exactly trying to learn about and then have it expand on that. For example, I asked it how to calculate binary and to teach me about it. Let's just say I got taught about it, right? What is binary and how it works. So I've also been given how to do the conversions, right? But let's just say that I still don't understand why binary is used. So what you can do is you can check out what it links for you Or you can say, write me, and you can make this however long or short you want. But what I usually say is write a page of info about how binary is used. So then this way, you're forcing the AI to give you more information. This is how AI is usually better at doing things for you. You have to be very, very specific about what you want and refine your answers. So after I get all of this, what I'm going to have it do is have it, sorry, I'm going to have it compress this information back again so that I can digest it more easily. Because I could read over all of this, and it's not a lot, right? But all I can tell it to do is compress the page of info you just wrote into 2 paragraphs, let's say. Because I feel like anything less than that would make it so that it leaves out some important information. So then there you go. This is a much, much more concise response than you're given here, right here. This is going to be much more concise in what you want to learn than all the way up here, which is what it gave you at first. So basically, just be specific with your AI and make sure you expand on stuff you want to know, and that will be everything that you need to do for AI. Please let me know if there's anything else that you want to learn about with AI, and I'll see you guys in the next one.